This is why you need WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I'm here to guide you through the essentials. WordPress warriors, assemble. Today we're diving deep into the world's most popular website builder. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is your ultimate guide. First up, the WordPress dashboard, your new command center. We'll break down how to create posts, manage pages, and customize your site like a pro. This is where the magic happens. Fun fact: over 40% of all websites are powered by WordPress. From stunning blogs to powerful e-commerce stores, the possibilities are endless. And let's talk themes and plugins. We'll show you the best ones to elevate your site and bring your vision to life. Plus, some insider tips to keep everything running smoothly. Pro tip: always keep your WordPress updated. Security is key, and we've got the know-how to keep your site safe and sound. Excited to learn more? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Join our community of WordPress enthusiasts, and let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. With WordPress, the sky's the limit. Let's get building.